Hello everyone! In this video, gagala na naman po ako. I'm excited to show you a fascinating place along the road heading to Tabuk City from Neom. Tingnan nyo naman guys, Diyos ko po, na-miss talaga ako dito guys sa mga lugar na to. So sabi ko, halika na, samahan nyo ako, magti-take na naman ako ng video. Sabi nila, napakalayo daw. Sabi ko, let's go. This spot is about an hour away from the site and I just had to stop by to capture some incredible footage. So, nakikita nyo naman yan, guys. What's truly amazing about this place are the towering natural rocks formation. Alam mo, minsan para akong ingot dyan, guys. Alam nyo, sabi ko, halang tataas naman. Hindi ba yan sila nalalaglag? Tapos, mayroon pa akong mga tanong minsan sa mga kasama ko. Mayroon bang ahas dyan sa loob? Mga something like that. Oh my gosh. Natatawa sila sa akin. Pero guys, alam mo, na-amaze talaga ako kasi tingnan nyo naman, di ba, ang tataas niyan, guys. They stand so tall and sturdy. It's hard to believe they haven't fallen over. Totoo naman kasi talaga, di ba? Sabi ko, ba't ganun? Di nga sila na bumabagsak. According to the local stories, this area is part of the ancient road believed to have been traveled during the time of Moses. It's said this land was once crossed by those making their way to Mount Sinai. Upo. Alam nyo ba guys, from this place, kung saan ako ngayon, 1 hour and a half na lang papunta ng Mount Sinai. Actually, sabi ko nga sa kanila, let's go, dalhin nyo naman ako dun kasi gustong gusto ko talagang makita yung place na yon. Yung sinasabi nilang water spring. So, ang mga kasama ko guys, pumunta na sila doon. So, hindi ako nakasama kasi hindi ko talaga alam guys na aalis sila. So, parang gusto ko lang talaga guys ma-discover kasi ito nga yung lugar kung saan sila sila Moses naglalakad. At alam nyo ba guys, malapit pa kami sa Red Sea. So, bakit 'di ba pag may time? So, kailangan ko talagang puntahan doon, 'di ba? So, yan, tingnan nyo naman, 'di ba? Napakaganda, guys. So, mamaya pupunta pa ako doon, guys. Talagang kukuha ako ng video sa mga malapit, magi-stop talaga ako. So, guys, enjoy lang kayo ha. Ganun talaga. Malayong as I approached the rock to get a closer view. I couldn't help but a mix of and a slight chill as there something mysterious about this place. Totoo. Alam mo guys, nung kumukuha nga ako ng video, sabi ko, tabi. Di ba sa Bisaya, tabi, makikipicture lang po. Mga ganun yung mga sinasabi ko. Makikipicture lang po. And thank you. Kasi, alam mo yung as we drive along, you'll notice how vast and empty this landscape is. Stretching far and wide with endless natural rock formation. My God, ano ba yan? Alam mo ba yun? The rocks here are simple, fascinating, each one different, shaped by time and naturalist itself. Oh, see, my God, this place feels untouched, almost, otherworldly as you look around. You can see some tents and buildings under construction, a sign of the ongoing NEOM project, the city of the future rising from the accent land. But what truly amazed me about this place is its connection to the past. It said that this area, was one crossed by people during the time of Moses traveling toward Mount Sinai and standing here surrounded by this incredible rock formation. I can't help but be remembered on the story of the Ten Commandments. Tingnan nyo naman, totoo. Story na naririnig ko, may nagsasabi naman guys na, yun nga, during the time daw, ano daw ito dito, dagat. And then ngayon daw, hindi na dagat. So, ito daw kaya nakikita mo yung mga ganitong natural rocks, sabi nila. So, just imaginein mo daw kung nasa ilalim yan ng dagat. So, ganyan talaga daw ang mga formation yan. So, minsan, alam mo ba guys, nag-ano nga ako dyan last time, nagkuha-kuha ako ng picture kasi, di ba, parang nakaka-amaze kasi, di ba, in the Philippines or I don't know, in somewhere around the world, kasi hindi pa naman ako nakakarating, nakikita ko lang naman sa ibang mga lugar, may mga mountain din siya, pero lupa, di ba, pero dito kasi, bato. Yan, tingnan mo guys. Minsan, alam mo yung mga guhit nila, parang meron pa nga guys akong nadaanan before na parang guhit, what do you call this one? Yung parang ano, barko, something like that. Tapos parang merong elephant na mga ganun. Something like that. So, talagang minsan, alam mo, maa-amaze ka talaga pag tinitingnan ko to. Tapos parang feeling ko na parang walang tao, alam mo yon na pumupunta sa lugar na to. Something like that. Walang nakatira. Just imagine, look at this guys sa left side ko, 'di ba? Sorry. Tingnan mo naman, tapos yung sa right side ko guys, so 'di ba? Kung nakikita mo talaga 'yan. So, 'di ba anong mafi-feel mo? Look at this, 'di ba? Oh, ayan na naman. Oh, 'di ba? Parang something like that na talagang maa-amaze ka. So guys, samahan niyo po ako. Just enjoy the view while we are on our way to the amazing place I've been taking about. So the drive itself is already a beautiful journey as we pass by this stunning landscape. You can't help but feel so small compared to the, alam mo yun, sa ibang mga nature. The Rocky Mountains from a distance look so powerful and mysterious. I can't wait to get closer. So, samahan nyo ako guys. So, ito guys, ito naman, nag-stop over muna kami dito kasi syempre kailangan namin maggamit ng, ng washroom. So, parang sabi ko, kunan ko rin ng video yung mga nasa harap. Diba, oh? So, ang ganda-ganda niya, diba? So, guys, sige, samahan nyo po ako, habang papunta pa lang kami doon. So guys, I just stopped the car because I wanted to take a closer look at this amazing natural rocks formation. Oh, diba? Tingnan mo naman ako. Oh, of course, the first thing I had to do was snap some photos. No surprise. There's right. But to be honest, I felt a little bit nervous because the rocks were so tall. Couldn't help but imagine a snake suddenly falling from the top. Just to be safe, I started saying tabi, 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 tabi. You know, alam mo yung sa Bisaya ba? Like in our belief, asking permission for the whatever spirit or being might be there. Ganyan kami guys eh. Nagsasalita talaga kami ng ganyan. Alam mo, pag kumukuha kami ng picture, sasabihin namin yan, tabi, tabi, tabi. Ask permission ba sa mga taong hindi natin nakikita? Diba? Diba, tingnan mo, as I look around, I also noticed some writings in Arabic, Arabic curve and to the mountain. It made me even more curious and excited to explore more places. Unfortunately, I did not have much time, but wow, the beauty and mystery of this place were truly amazing else. Grabe, nakakaano talaga siya, diba? Look at naman, nakaka-amaze naman kasi talaga. So guys, just take a look at this. I'm already so close to the rocks. Oh my gosh. Yan, and it's amazing but also kinda freaky. My God. Baka may ahas. Ayan guys, so nakita nyo yan? Nakita nyo yung nakasulat? Yan, nakasulat siya. As I got near, I started noticing these huge holes carved into the rock and even some small caves. My gosh. See guys, tingnan mo guys. Alam niyo guys, takot talaga ako, promise. It's like a nature itself created this mysterious little hiding spot. Oh my gosh. When I look up, I couldn't help but I feel a chill run down my spine. The rocks too were above me. Alam mo, yung mga butas-butas kasi siya. Kaya natatakot ako. So high and alam mo yung parang sabi mo, wala yun. Parang ang taas-taas yan. So it's both fascinating and, terrifying at the same time. And you know me, even I feel scared. My curiosity always wins. My God. I just have the urge to find out what really inside those caves. Tingnan mo naman ako guys, no? Part of me keeps imagining all sorts of, creatures living there. What if something suddenly pops up and yet I can't stop myself from wanting to explore and see more? It's like the place has has a secret waiting to be discovered. Parang ganun ang nasa feeling ko kasi talaga, guys. Guys, totoo lang. But at the same time, I'm trying to be, parang curious ako. Gusto kong makita, parang something like that. And parang respectful ako. Kasi nagsasalita nga ako ng ganun, tabi-tabi, mga something like that. I keep repeating tabi-tabi-tabi in my head. Alam mo yung parang ganun. Like asking permission to be here, to admire the beauty and mystery of this place without disturbing anything. Parang ganun, di ba? Ayan, nagpicture na ako, di ba? So, picture muna daw ako. Oh my God. Seriously. Moments like this make me wish I had all the time in the world to just explore. But for now, I enjoy every second of it sa capture and as much as I can. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Ganun lang. My God. Hindi talaga ako magsasawa tingnan ng mga ganitong lugar. Promise. Kahit ilang beses ko pa itong makikita, parang palaging bago ang pakiramdam. Lagi naman akong dumadaan dito pag pumupunta ako ng city pero na-amaze pa rin talaga ako. Mahilig talaga ako maglakad at mag-explore sa mga ganitong lugar. Yun nga lang, kakaiba. Tila may mga, alam mo yun, parang may nakatagong kwento. Habang naglalakad ako palapit sa mga bato, napapansin ko ang mga malalaking butas sa gilid ng bato. Oo, ganun. Kaya sabi ko, ala, ano ba yan dyan, diba?